airport. I'm at the Terminal 3. I just finished my security check. I'm looking for the phone. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anudeep Verma. A little introduction about myself. I'm from India and I currently live and work in London. The reason I started this channel is to share my travel experiences with you guys, and also to share some travel tips and hacks on how to travel on budget and how to travel on solo, and how the experience is gonna be like if you're traveling solo. So yeah, I've currently traveled like 21 countries so far, but I never thought about vlogging in special. Like I do take pictures and videos to share with you guys in terms of reels and Instagram, but I never came up with the thought of making a vlog. But this time I'm thinking to do it because my last trip I've traveled 15 countries in 21 days in a short budget, to be honest, and I haven't find anyone doing the same kind of itinerary or in that budget anywhere in YouTube. So I thought, this time I will share my experience through vlogging and show you guys how it can be done. And a lot of my friends encouraged me to do this, so yeah, so here I am, and I'm on my next solo trip, and I'm traveling to least visited countries in Europe. The reason why I'm saying it's the least visited is because these places are not that touristy compared to the Western European and Central European countries. And my first destination is going to be Albania. Albania is actually picking up its tourism since last few years because of a lot of viral videos of those beautiful locations. So I'm going to show you a couple of places in Albania, the capital city, and one other place which I'm going to show you guys if you're following this. And then I'm going to Macedonia, and then from there I'm going Kosovo, and then I'm going Bulgaria, and then I'm going Romania, and I'm flying back from Romania. So I'm traveling for the next 10 days. Once I fly into Albania, then I'll be taking complete road transport, crossing all the borders by road. I'm not sure how it's going to turn out to be. I was really nervous, like how it works for an Indian guy, with what are the requirements. There's only some information in the websites, but I didn't find anyone sharing their own experiences, any blog or vlog. So I'm not still sure like how it's gonna work out for me. So I have to find out once I get in there. I hope so. Yeah. So yeah, I think that's it. I'm currently in the London airport. My flight is in like 2 hours, I guess. Wait, let me check. Yeah, it's in 1 hour 30 minutes. So I'm sitting in a lounge. So I got a priority pass, which gives me a free access. So even I got this flight for cheap because of my credit card. I'll tell you guys those tips, how to book cheap flights and how to use these kind of access and get free food and drinks before your flight, and relax and enjoy the flight view. So once I get in Albania, I will show you guys the process of immigration and the local currency and how to get from the airport to the city center and stuff. In the meanwhile, I'll show you guys the launch, how it is, so stay tuned.
So you would need a credit card or a priority pass lounge access to get into your lounge, or you can pre-book it by paying some money. So as I had a priority pass, so I just got in and there was free availability. I didn't have to make any reservation beforehand. And yeah, as you're in the lounge, you can use unlimited Wi-Fi and use the lounge access for 3 hours and have unlimited food and drinks until you just fly and relax. While I was still there, they were still serving breakfast, and so I had some breakfast and a drink and relaxed for some time and left just before my flight to the gate number.
Sorry, pressing down the wrong Flying with British Airways today.
I was so completely clear for takeoff.
The seats are really uncomfortable. Like, I mean, for me, I'm 6 feet, so look at my position.
As a reminder, smoking and the use of electronic cigarettes.
I think I have to sit here for like 3-4 hours, I believe.
At any time
It's
whilst
gonna
on board,
be
this
a
includes
hell of
the
a ride.
toilets, which are fitted with smoke detectors. Thank you.
I'm hoping there's no one gonna sit next to me. If that's the case, I can just stretch my legs. I mean, I still got a nice seat, like nice view from my window, but it's just my legs. It's gonna kill me for the next 3 hours. Wow. I think we're gonna take off in the next 20 minutes. Hope so.
Tirana. A special welcome to those of you returning from our executive club and a those of you joining from our One World Alliance partner.
So the flight got delayed 1 hour. I think I'm gonna arrive late in Albania. I think so. Yeah, it is what it is. So I got the seat all for myself. There's no one sitting next to me. So I think I can stretch my legs as it's really not comfortable to me. Yeah. So I got seat. So I got all 3 seats for myself. So it's really comfortable sitting like this. That's France. Just landed in Albania. Just landed in Tirana airport, just walking towards the immigration. That's the airport, it's a small airport.